Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best USB-C to HDMI adapter? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best USB-C to HDMI adapter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Pluggable USB-C to 4-port HDMI multi-monitor adapter. The Pluggable USB-C to 4-port HDMI multi-monitor adapter, USBC 768H4, redefines the way you connect and extend your displays, making it an essential tool for productivity and multitasking. Compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, this adapter allows you to effortlessly add 4 additional HDMI monitors to your setup through a single USB-C port. The USB to HDMI adapter provides stunning 4K display resolution, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for your work or entertainment needs. With the flexibility to customize your display arrangement, it's an ideal solution for professionals who require expanded screen real estate for video editing, graphic design, or data analysis. Setup is a breeze. Simply plug the USB-C adapter into your compatible device, and the 4 HDMI ports open up a world of possibilities. Whether you're a content creator, a professional working with multiple applications, or a gamer looking to expand your gaming setup, the Pluggable USB-C 768H4 delivers a seamless and immersive experience. Experience the convenience of a clutter-free workspace and enhanced productivity with the Pluggable USB-C to 4-port HDMI multi-monitor adapter, a versatile solution that transforms a single USB-C port into a multi-monitor powerhouse. Top 2. Startechcom USBC to 4 HDMI adapter. The Startechcom USBC to 4 HDMI adapter, USB-C to HD4, is a powerful external video and graphics solution, providing Windows users with an exceptional multi-monitor experience. This compact dongle effortlessly converts a USB Type-C port into 4 HDMI outputs, allowing you to expand your desktop across multiple displays with ease. Designed for efficiency and versatility, this adapter supports a resolution of 1080p at 60 Hz on each HDMI port, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals for a variety of applications, from work presentations to entertainment setups. The adapter serves as an excellent video converter, transforming a single USB-C connection into a quad HDMI display, offering a streamlined solution for professionals who require expansive screen real estate. With plug-and-play functionality, the USB-C to HD4 eliminates the need for complex installations. Simply connect the USB-C adapter to your Windows device, and you're ready to enjoy a seamless multi-monitor setup. This feature-rich solution is particularly valuable for creative professionals, traders, or anyone in need of increased productivity through simultaneous access to multiple applications. The Startechcom USB-C to 4 HDMI adapter is a reliable and efficient choice for Windows users seeking a hassle-free way to enhance their workspace with multiple displays, providing a dynamic solution for both work and entertainment purposes. Top 3. Cable Creation 10-pack USB-C to HDMI VGA adapter. The Cable Creation USB-C to HDMI VGA adapter 10-pack offers a versatile and convenient solution for users seeking dual monitor capabilities. Compatible with a range of devices, including the iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro Max, MacBook Pro 2020, Yoga 910, and Surface Go, this adapter pack ensures broad compatibility for various users. Designed with the latest USB Type-C and Thunderbolt 3 technology, these adapters allow seamless connectivity between your devices and HDMI or VGA-equipped monitors, providing the flexibility to expand your display setup. Whether you're giving presentations, multitasking on projects, or enjoying multimedia content on a larger screen, Cable Creation ensures a reliable and high-quality video transmission. The pack's 10 adapters make it a cost-effective choice for businesses, educational institutions, or individuals who frequently use different devices or require multiple adapters for various setups. The adapters support resolutions up to 1080p, delivering clear and vibrant visuals. Cable Creation prioritizes user convenience with plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for additional drivers. Compact and portable, these adapters are perfect for users on the go, enhancing their ability to connect to external displays effortlessly. Elevate your connectivity options with the Cable Creation USB-C to HDMI VGA Adapter 10-pack, offering reliability and versatility for a multitude of devices and display needs. Top 4. The Startechcom USBC Doc, DK30C2HAGPD, as a powerhouse docking solution that transforms your mini laptop into a versatile workstation. This sleek black multi-port adapter offers dual 4K HDMI displays, providing an immersive visual experience for enhanced productivity. Equipped with a 100W power delivery (PD) pass-through, the dock ensures efficient charging while connected to your laptop. The inclusion of Gigabit Ethernet and 2 USB-A ports enhances connectivity, facilitating seamless data transfer and reliable network access. An excellent alternative to the 120B USB-C multiport, this docking station prioritizes convenience with its compact design and easy setup. With dual HDMI ports, it accommodates a dual monitor setup for multitasking and presentations. Ideal for professionals on the go, the Startechcom USB-C Doc delivers a comprehensive range of features to optimize your workspace and streamline your connectivity needs. Top 5. Mdmohammadmohasin Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Meco Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a revolutionary device that seamlessly integrates HDMI, USB, and Type-C interfaces, providing a plug-and-play solution for cars equipped with wired Apple CarPlay. This compact adapter transforms your in-car entertainment system into a wireless hub, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. Designed for convenience, the Meco Wireless CarPlay Adapter offers a hassle-free setup, allowing users to experience the freedom of wireless connectivity. By supporting HDMI, USB, and Type-C interfaces, it ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, providing versatile connectivity options. Upgrade your driving experience with the Meco Wireless CarPlay Adapter, effortlessly bringing the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay to your vehicle. Enjoy a clutter-free and advanced in-car entertainment system with this innovative plug-and-play solution.